Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, we're taking you inside Camp Nou to check out the latest construction progress. From the South Goal all the way to the North Diamond, every corner is changing fast, and we'll show you all the action step by step. So stick with us and let's dive right in. Let's begin with the North Goal, where progress is equally impressive. Reinforcement grids are being placed, vertical supports are growing taller, and multiple teams are coordinating to align each new piece of the framework. Platforms, safety rails, and working decks are now clearly visible, showing how this side is gaining height and definition. At the South Goal, the transformation is becoming more visible every week. The concrete cores continue rising, support beams are being secured into place, and new sections of the structure are connecting seamlessly. Workers are busy across all levels, guiding machinery, fitting reinforcements, and preparing the next layers for pouring. It's a zone full of movement, precision, and non-stop activity. After a few days of minimal activity, work at the South Goal has resumed in full. Workers are removing the formwork panels used for the final concrete pour of the third cantilever in Danny Pardo's curve. The structure is now complete, and crews dismantle molds carefully, piece by piece. Activity remains steady around the area, showing the precision and consistency of ongoing work. The ceramic facade is seeing significant progress as new louvers are carefully installed along the south corner. Crews work methodically, aligning each louver with precision and securing it in place. This process is gradually transforming the stadium's exterior, giving a clear sense of the final look and highlighting the scale and detail of this section. In the VIP area, new pillars and beams are beginning to form recognizable shapes. Internal ramps are progressing steadily, giving a clear idea of future circulation paths inside the stadium. Workers operate lift platforms, bolt steel connections, and prepare formwork, ensuring every measurement aligns perfectly with the engineering plans. At the lateral stand, the main structural grid is advancing quickly. Workers fasten rebar, position molds, and secure temporary supports. Concrete pours are carried out section by section, strengthening the base of the future seating areas. In the tribune sector, metal frames for the glass facade are being installed, scaffolding rises across the structure, and finishing touches are being applied methodically. At the south corner, work is moving steadily. Lift platforms operate along the inner side, and crews are active behind the brackets, though some spots are still hard to see. Progress on the louver system is limited. Only the lower louvers are in place, and the next brackets and pillar supports are still pending. The area also holds stored materials, including prefabricated stairs and support pieces for upcoming installation. At the North Goal's diamond-shaped entrance, designated for visiting fans, the structure appears massive from above. From elevated decks, the view of the pitch and city is breathtaking. Down at ground level, crews handle reinforcement, drainage lines, and foundation adjustments. Pipes are installed, service ducts aligned, and insulation layers placed where needed. This essential work ensures the stadium's long-term performance, even if it doesn't stand out visually. That's it for today's stadium update. Incredible teamwork, continuous progress, and visible transformation everywhere you look. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next step of this amazing journey.